Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use the mouse cursor as a font identifier for Chrome, Firefox and Edge browser of computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the respective web browser. And in the Google search, just search for one application name as what font for Chrome or for Firefox or for Edge web browser. So whatever browser you are using, just type the name. So here I'm using a Chrome, so I'm gonna search for what font for Chrome. So on the first list you will see the website. Just click on it. So now just click on this add to Chrome. So finally the what font extension has been added to the Chrome web browser. So now just click on this extensions icon and just pin it. Now let me open one website. So say I have opened one website named android.com. So here I have tons of words or text. So in order to find what font has been used on this respective words or text, so for this just click on this what font extension icon. You can see it has activated. So now let me place the mouse cursor on the respective words or text. So let me place it here. So you can see it's Google Sans font. So the font that is being used here on most of the words is the Google Sans, as you can see here. So once you are done, you can just click on this exit what font. So by using this extension named as what font, you can easily use the mouse cursor as a font identifier for Chrome, Firefox and Edge browser of computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.